All right, y'all, so this is the bathing suit that I'm wearing, and here is the cover up. Okay, and I'm gonna be wearing the Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer, y'all. When this gets on your skin and the sun is hitting you, baby, not like no other. So far, this has been my like go-to for the summer. So I am wearing the Oi, I think that's how you pronounce it, Melrose Place, y'all. This is like my favorite scent, y'all. I'm out of it. I'm almost out of it, but this is like one of my favorite scents, baby. It's that girl.
We on